Yeah, this is the fast freezing Polystar PVDD-215L refrigerator. This comes with this is a 118 liters top mount refrigerator with two compartments. The first compartment is the freezer compartment. This is a fast freezing compartment for items that are perishable and requires them to stay frozen. So this compartment keeps the item frozen for a long period of time. We also have the bottom refrigerator compartment. You can see the design structure. This is the thermostat. You can regulate the coolness of it. It comes with internal light. I don't know if you can see this, but it comes with internal light and adjustable racks. Exactly 118 liters refrigerator, the silver Polystar PVDD-215 refrigerator. You can get this at zit.ng at the cheapest rate in Nigeria.